Hello there, my name is Michelle, your tax advisor from TXTK Tax Tech. Welcome to our course series on UAE corporate income tax. We understand that corporate tax laws can seem daunting sometimes, especially with the recent introduction of the UAE corporate income tax law on June 1st this year. But don't worry, we are here to simplify for you. In this series, we'll provide you with the essential information you need to understand and comply with the new corporate income tax law in the UAE. We understand that tax can significantly impact your business and personal finances. So our goal is to offer clear, concise guidance to help you make informed decisions for your business. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of corporate income tax, what it is, who needs to pay it, and the tax rate, and also the impact it has on your business. So first, what is corporate income tax? Corporate income tax is different from the familiar value-added tax, VAT. Corporate income tax is a direct tax based on your business net profit. In simple terms, it's a tax on the money you keep after covering all your expenses. Imagine your net profit as a pie. A portion of that pie needs to be set aside for corporate income tax. So who needs to pay this tax? Any company registered in the UAE is subject to corporate income tax. Additionally, if your company doesn't have official UAE registration but has essential operations here, you're also liable for corporate income tax. For instance, consider this Afghanistan telecom company. Despite not having a registration in Dubai, they have their financial operations here and also their technical teams here working in Dubai. So in this case, even without official UAE registration, these companies are still required to declare and pay corporate income tax. And here's another interesting part. If you're an individual engaged in business activities and your income crosses that 1 million mark, you're required to declare and pay corporate income tax too. This includes individuals earning commissions or fees, like photographers with photography income. Lastly, there's one more category that needs to pay this tax: foreign companies with local branches or offices in the UAE. For long-time business owners in the UAE, the introduction of taxation is indeed a game changer. You see, many small and medium-sized enterprises here typically operated without formal bookkeeping. With the implementation of corporate income tax, UAE companies are now required to invest more effort in financial compliance. So what's the first step for you? It's all about proper bookkeeping. Income and expenses must be diligently recorded. You need to keep every financial document related to your business, such as sales invoices, purchase agreements, and receipts. These tasks can be streamlined and simplified through the use of accounting software, making the process more manageable. With all this financial data in hand, you can then focus on what everyone's most interested in: tax planning and legitimate tax optimization. Accurately keeping track of your sales and expenses ensures financial transparency. This also enables business to have a clear understanding of their overall income, aiding in budgeting, planning, and decision-making. Most importantly, tax authorities require business to accurately report their sales and calculate the tax owed based on these sales figures. Now, I'll demonstrate how to correctly record sales and expenses using MirageBooks accounting software. We have chosen MirageBooks because it doesn't require users to have any accounting or financial knowledge. It's very user-friendly and also aligns with the UAE tax compliance requirements. Today, our focus will be on how to record expenses, which is a crucial aspect of our tax planning. With MirageBooks, you can effortlessly capture and record your financial data just by using your smartphone camera. Once you have logged in and landed on the home page, tap on the camera icon at the upper right corner. You'll see three options: The first one is Scan Receipt. This activates the automatic scanning function, which can convert the content in your photo into financial data. Your data gets automatically recorded in the system, and your financial receipts are securely saved. Once the financial data is extracted, you just need to double-check if the information and amount are correct. Then, select the appropriate financial category based on this expense. It could be something like purchase cost, operating expenses, rent, etc. You can even customize financial categories to align with your business needs. Of course, there might be some situations where your receipts cannot be scanned or recognized, like when you make a cash payment without a receipt or receive a handwritten invoice. MirageBooks has you covered with a manual entry option. Here's how it works. Start by going to our homepage. You'll spot a plus button at the upper right corner. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with various options. Choose the first one, Bill Receipts. It's the quickest way to record a bill. Regardless of how many items are listed on your receipt, you only need to record the total amount. Next, let's complete the manual entry process. By default, the receipt date is today. If you need to change it, click on the date field. Choose the correct date from the calendar, then click OK. Now, in the From Who or Where section, enter the name of the supplier or your service provider. This helps link the transaction to the right source. In the description field, briefly describe the expense or nature of the transaction. Under Financial category, you can pick a suitable category based on your expense. Or, if it's something unique, you can create a custom category that fits your business. Lastly, in the Amount field, input the total amount. Once completed, click Save, and your manual entry is securely recorded. If you use bank transfer for your daily business transactions, MirageBooks has a very handy feature for you. It's called the bank statement. Now, let's dive right in. To get started, open your MirageBooks app and head to the homepage. In the upper left corner, there's a triple bar button. Tap on it. In the menu, select Bank Statement. Now, click on the plus button at the upper right corner. MirageBooks' intuitive UI will guide you through the process of uploading your bank statement step by step. As you go through the process, you'll need to select a bank account. This ensures that your transactions are well organized. And just like that, your bank statements are now imported into MirageBooks. Then, you can simply add data entry for each bank transaction with details like client's name, invoice number, and accounting category. While this is the most common way to record expenses, MirageBooks has even more powerful features waiting for you. We'll be sharing those in our upcoming tutorials. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us directly or leave a comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next episode. We'll talk more about UAE tax. Thanks for watching.